Hey everyone, welcome back to Geeky Codes. Today we are solving another interesting SQL problem, LeetCode, and the problem name is we have to find customers who bought all the products. So let's start. In this problem we have been given two tables, customers showing which customer bought which product, and then the product table listing all available products. We need to find the customers who have bought every product listed in the product table. So, what is the plan to solve this? How can we do that? First, we need to know the total number of products in the product table, and then for each customer, we count how many distinct products they have bought, and then we will compare these two numbers. If a customer has bought as many distinct products as the total products, then they have bought all the products. Okay, so we will start writing the query. Then select customer id. We will select it from customer table, and then we will group it by customer id because we need all the distinct customer ids, and we will check for the condition where having count of all the distinct products, all the distinct product keys are equal to select count star from product table. So that's it. Here we are grouping it by customer id so that we can analyze each customer separately, and we are counting distinct product key so that we can find the products each customer bought, and then we are using a subquery. We are using a subquery to count the total number of products from the product table, and then we are comparing it so that if both counts match, then we select that customer. So let's try to run it. As you can see here that code has been accepted and it passes the test case. Now we will try to submit it and check if it passes all the test cases or not. As we can see here that our query passes all the test cases. So that's it for the today's video, and with just simple aggregation and subquery we solve the problem easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and share it, and subscribe to Geeky Codes for more awesome SQL tutorials and coding tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.